When you search for the best electric go-karts for kids, everything looks the same. Same flashy colors, same claims about speed and safety. But to find the one that truly delivers on the fun and keeps your kids safe, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Razor Crazy Kart Shift. The Razor Crazy Kart Shift is a real standout for kids ages 6 and up. Priced at around $258.53, its unique simplified drift system caught my attention immediately. If you want your child to experience genuine drifting fun while learning control, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Crazy Kart Shift features a drift system that automatically engages, allowing kids to focus on steering while drifting like a pro. It has a 1:1 steering ratio, providing ultimate responsiveness and can support riders up to 120 pounds. The 12V sealed lead-acid battery is power-efficient and rechargeable, meaning less downtime and more playtime. Now, some people complained about the assembly being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it's a blast and worth the effort. If your kid loves drifting in a controlled way, this kart is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if your child is eager to learn how to drift safely while having a ton of fun. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple ride-on without the drifting features. For the price, you get a lot of fun and durability. Now, if the assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Razor Crazy Kart Sport. Next up is the Razor Crazy Kart Sport, priced at $379. This kart is designed for older kids, ages 9 and up, and promises an exhilarating ride. If you want a kart that can hit speeds up to 12 mph and allows for complete control while drifting, this one deserves your attention. The variable speed foot pedal acceleration gives kids the thrill of speed, up to 12 mph, while the drift bar really lets them control their spins and cornering. With a max weight of 140 pounds and a 24V battery that provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use, it's perfect for longer play sessions. With over 1,000 reviews and a solid rating of 4.5 stars, parents love it. However, some users mentioned that the battery life ran shorter than expected on full speed. But I'll be real with you, kids get plenty of fun in that time, and it's not a deal breaker for those who want that thrill. This is perfect for you if your child is a bit older and craves speed and control. Skip this one if you're looking for something less intense. It's a solid investment for high-energy kids. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for younger kids. Product number 3, Razor Crazy Kart Shuffle. The Razor Crazy Kart Shuffle is a fantastic choice for the younger crowd, specifically designed for kids ages 4 and up, priced at just $118. What stood out to me is that it's kid-powered, meaning no batteries to worry about. This kart allows children to drive, drift, and spin without the hassle of charging. The Crazy Kart Drift Bar puts full control in the rider's hands, making it super intuitive from the first ride. Plus, it features adjustable frame settings, so it grows with your child, accommodating various heights. With a rating of 4.9 stars from over 1,100 reviews, it's clearly loved by many. Now, some parents reported that it can be hard to steer for younger ones. But here's the thing, that just means they get to learn and have fun at the same time. It's a great way to introduce them to karts without overwhelming them. This is perfect for you if you have younger kids wanting to join in on the fun without the need for batteries. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-speed experience. For the price, you can't beat the fun. Now, if you're looking for something a bit faster, this next pick might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Kart UK 61 Electric Drift Kart. The Kart UK 61 Electric Drift Kart stands out with its adjustable seat and 24V power, and it's priced at $289.99. This kart is tailored for kids aged 6 to 12, offering a fun and realistic racing experience. If you want a kart that grows with your child, this is a solid option. With a powerful 300W motor, it reaches speeds up to 8.5 mph, and the adjustable speed modes mean you can tailor the experience to your child's skill level. It also features built-in music options, enhancing the driving experience. It's rated 4.2 stars from 284 reviews, showing a good level of satisfaction. However, some users found the battery life a bit short. Here's the thing though, for the fun and features you're getting, it's a worthwhile trade-off, especially for racers in training. This is perfect for you if you want something that accommodates growth and offers exciting features. Skip this one if you need something for very young kids. The value for the price is great. And lastly, if you're looking for a similar option, you might want to consider the next one on our list. Product number 5. Carry UK 61 Electric Drift Kart White. Finally, we have another version of the Carry UK 61 electric drift cart, also priced at $289.99. This model has the same great features as the red one but in a sleek white design. If you want an eye-catching cart with the same fun experience, this is definitely worth checking out. The fun factor is identical, and it supports speeds up to 8.5 mph with customizable speed modes. Parents seem to appreciate the safety features, which is always a plus. It shares the same 4.2-star rating from 284 reviews. Some customers did mention assembly issues, but honestly, with the quality and excitement this cart brings, it's a small bump in the road. Kids will enjoy every minute they spend in it. This is perfect for you if your child loves racing and you want something stylish. Skip this one if you need a straightforward ride-on. At this price point, it's a great deal for the excitement it offers. In summary, we've covered the Razor Crazy Kart Shift and Sport, both offering unique features for different ages. The Crazy Kart Shuffle is fantastic for younger kids, while the Carry UK 61 options provide adjustable fun for growing racers. Each kart has its strengths and some minor flaws, but overall they offer a mix of excitement, safety, and great value. Choose the one that fits your child's needs best.